In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book on trip.com. We'll move through the process step by step so you can secure flights, hotels, trains, or car hire with confidence. Start by opening the trip.com app. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead. Being signed in helps the app autofill saved traveler details and keeps all your bookings in one place. Next, choose what you're booking from the top menu: flights, hotels, trains, or car hire. For flights or trains, enter your departure city, your destination, your travel dates, the travel class, like economy, and the number of passengers, then tap search. For hotels, enter a destination city or a specific property name, your check-in and check-out dates, and how many guests or rooms you need, then start the search. On the results page, use the filters. On mobile, they're usually at the top. On larger screens, they can appear on the left. Filters let you sort by price, duration, number of stops, airline, hotel star rating, or user reviews. This is the easiest way to narrow a long list into options that match your budget and preferences. For flights, try filtering for non-stop or shorter durations. For hotels, look for ratings you trust and policies that fit your plans. When something looks promising, open it to read the details. This is where you'll find the exact cancellation policy, any change fees, baggage rules, and booking terms. Taking a minute here can save you money and stress later, especially on lower fares or promotional hotel rates that may be non-refundable. If it's a match, tap book or select to continue. You'll now enter traveler or guest information. Type legal names exactly as they appear on your passport or government ID, add dates of birth, and provide accurate contact details. Even a small mismatch can cause boarding or check-in issues, so double-check spelling and numbers. You can add optional details like a passport number, frequent flyer program ID, or seat and meal preferences if available. You may also see add-ons such as travel insurance, extra baggage, or airport transfers. Only choose what you genuinely need, and before you proceed, review your travel dates, flight times, or hotel room type one more time. Select a payment method: credit or debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or local options if supported in your region. Enter your payment details and tap Pay Now or Confirm Payment. After payment, you should see a confirmation on screen, and you'll typically receive an itinerary in the app or by email. That's it. You've booked on trip.com with clarity and confidence.